You've seen it 100 times. That thin, wobbly-legged spider, hanging perfectly still in the corner of your shower. You spray it away, you vacuum the web, you even move out for a weekend, and somehow, days later, it's back, or one just like it. So what is this thing? Why does it love your bathroom specifically, out of every room in your house, and is it actually dangerous? Stick around because the answer is stranger, and honestly more useful than you'd expect. That spider almost everyone has met is usually a cellar spider, sometimes called a daddy longlegs spider. Not to be confused with the daddy longlegs that isn't even a spider at all, which we'll clear up later, scientifically. It belongs to the family Phalcidae. And once you understand how this creature is built and what it needs to survive, its obsession with your bathroom stops being creepy and starts making perfect sense. Let's break down exactly why. The number one reason is moisture. Cellar spiders have thin, lightweight exoskeletons that dry out fast, unlike bigger, hairier spiders that can handle dry air. These thin-legged spiders lose water through their bodies quickly, and in a dry room, they'll dehydrate within days. Your bathroom is basically a spider spa. Hot showers pump humidity into the air, damp towels, wet tile grout, and a leaky pipe under the sink create a microclimate that's cool, moist, and stable. Almost identical to the damp caves, cellars, and tree hollows these spiders evolved in the wild. That's actually where the name cellar spider comes from. Basements and cellars offer that same steady dampness. So when a cellar spider finds your bathroom, it's not picking a random spot. It's finding the one room in your house that mimics its natural habitat almost perfectly. The second reason is architecture. Look at where these spiders actually sit. High corners, the meeting point of wall and ceiling, behind the toilet, under the sink cabinet. These spots share three things. They are rarely touched by human hands. They have still air with no draft. And they give the spider a clear, open flight path for prey walking or flying nearby. Cellar spiders build loose, irregular, almost messy-looking webs, very different from the neat spiral of a garden spider. That messy web isn't lazy engineering. It's actually an efficient trap for the small flying insects that also love damp bathrooms, like fruit flies, gnats, and drain flies. The spider isn't just hiding in your bathroom, it's farming it. Speaking of food, this is honestly the biggest hidden reason people miss. Bathrooms, especially ones with a shower drain, generate a steady supply of tiny insects. Organic buildup in drains attracts drain flies. Damp bath mats and wet floors attract fungus gnats. Even a small gap under a door lets in whatever's flying around outside at night. For a cellar spider, that's an all-you-can-eat buffet delivered straight to its web, with zero effort required to relocate. Why would it ever leave a room that keeps feeding it? This is also why killing one spider rarely solves the problem long-term. If the moisture and the insects are still there, another spider, or the same one rebuilding, will move right back in within a week or two. Now let's kill the biggest myth around the spider. The claim that daddy longlegs are the most venomous spiders in the world, but their fangs are too small to bite you. This is false, and it's actually a mix-up between two completely different creatures. Cellar spiders from the family Phalcidae are true spiders, with fangs, venom glands, and 8 legs. Harvestmen from the order Apilians are often also called daddy longlegs, but they aren't spiders at all. They have no venom glands, no silk glands, and no fangs. They are arachnids, but a totally separate order. Cellar spiders can bite, and they do have venom, used to subdue insect prey. But their fangs are short, and their venom is mild, and research has never shown it poses any real medical threat to humans. Most people who are bitten feel little more than a mild, brief sting, if anything at all. There's no verified case of a cellar spider bite causing serious harm to a person. So the myth gets it backwards twice. It usually applies the venom claim to the wrong animal, and even for the animal it does apply to, the deadly venom part isn't true either. Here's the part most homeowners never consider: this spider is doing you a favor. Cellar spiders are aggressive, effective predators of other household pests, including mosquitoes, flies, roaches, and even other spiders. Some cellar spiders are known to invade other spiders' webs and eat them, including species that are actually more dangerous to humans. Pest control professionals often consider them a natural, low-risk form of pest management. In many homes, the presence of a healthy cellar spider population correlates with fewer flying insects overall. If your goal is a bug-free bathroom, this spider is quietly doing part of that job for you, for free, 24 hours a day. If you still don't want them around, the fix isn't chasing the spider, it's removing what attracts it. Cut the humidity by running a bathroom fan during and after showers, or using a small dehumidifier. Without moisture, cellar spiders can't survive long in the space. Clean the drains regularly with a drain brush or enzyme cleaner to remove the organic film that breeds gnats and flies. Because no insects means no food source. Seal entry points by caulking gaps around pipes, baseboards, and window frames where spiders and their prey get in. And reduce clutter, since fewer undisturbed corners means fewer places to build a web undetected. Do this consistently, and cellar spiders naturally move somewhere more hospitable, no chemicals or violence required. So the next time you spot that thin, quiet spider tucked into your bathroom ceiling, you'll know exactly what's going on. It's not haunting you. It's not multiplying out of spite. It found a warm, humid, insect-filled corner of your house that perfectly matches its natural habitat, and honestly, it's paying rent by eating the bugs you'd rather not deal with yourself. If you found this useful, hit subscribe for more deep dives into the tiny creatures sharing your home with you. And drop a comment telling me which room in your house has the most surprising wildlife.